Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 9th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So the Aussie dollar has been drifting up pretty much since market open, which actually makes a lot of sense if we go into the daily time frame. I still think there's a chance that we may already be in a wave three. And if we're already in a wave three, this thing is probably just going to keep on going up. I am definitely primarily only looking for longs in an uptrend. Now going back down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long now. I would definitely want to see a pretty nice move to the downside in order to go long. I have no idea whether it's going to keep on going up or whether it's going to make a pullback now. I'm just saying that when and if it does make a pullback, that's what I'm primarily looking for is longs only in an uptrend, especially at the end of pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.